Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Yeah, I'm outside again. Don't worry, my parents do not make me sleep outside. Well, that kind of makes never mind. Today we'll be doing an updated Wolf Vocals video. As the last one I did, it's very outdated and didn't really use my hands. Sounded like I was terrible at doing Wolf Vocals, but yeah. My neighbors are gonna look at me funny now, so I'm risking all my street cred for you. What am I talking about? Street cred. Anyways, let's get started. I'll go on the floor. I have time because I have to use my hands. So, yeah, let's start with howls. I have three, range of howls. I have, like a very deep howl, medium howl, and a very high-pitched howl. So I'm gonna start with, I'm gonna go from least high-pitched to most high-pitched, so yeah. And this is the medium one. And then this is the high-pitched one. So yeah. Next is the barks. Now I have a bark and a yip. And there's the yip. Oh my goodness, my neighbors are gonna kill us for being so loud. Anyways, next it's growls. So, yeah. Sorry. That really hurts my throat. Then there's whimpers and yelps, which is like pain or something. Yeah. Whimper. Hello. I'm gonna be showing you my wolf kind of poses, crouch. Here's bow. Here's sitting. Here's laying down. Just laying down, but just my head like this. And then there's the limp. So yeah, that's my Wolf Vocals video, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.